Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Ozoni, a traditional Japanese New Year's soup with mochi rice cakes and vegetables. There are many variations of Ozoni throughout the country, and we've made a couple of different kinds from our hometowns before. This year we will show you how to make the Tokyo-style Ozoni. These are the ingredients. In Tokyo, the typical Ozoni is made with Ichiban Dashi broth, combining Kombu and Katsuobushi bonito flakes. It includes grilled square rice cakes along with chicken, vegetables, mushrooms, and fish cake. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's begin. First, we blanch spinach in boiling water for a minute and strain and squeeze the water out and cut into 2-inch length and set aside. Cut the carrot into 1/2-inch thick rounds, then cut with a flower-shaped cookie cutter. Hope you can find a wide carrot like this and a small decorative cookie cutter. Remove the stems of shiitake mushrooms and cut out the top of the mushrooms to form a star design, just like that. Slice the Naruto fish cake into 1/4-inch thick. Cut the chicken thighs into large bite-sized pieces. This is optional, but slice just the yellow part of skin from yuzu citrus and cut very thinly and set aside. Now we are making the broth. Put water and the kombu in a pot and start heating over low heat. Just before boiling, remove the kombu. Add the Katsuobushi bonito flakes and leave for a minute. And strain out of the Katsuobushi. The broth made from kombu and Katsuobushi like this is called Ichiban Dashi, and it's packed with umami. Add the seasoning, salt, soy sauce, sake, and mirin. Now add the chicken pieces, carrot, and mushrooms to the soup. Let simmer so that the vegetables and meat are cooked through. Remove any scum coming up to the surface of the soup and keep it warm at low heat. Meanwhile, grill the mochi. We are using an old-fashioned mochi grill like this, but you can also bake in a toaster oven for about 5 minutes until it expands and turns golden brown. Right before serving, add the Naruto fish cake in the soup and let it warm for a minute. In a bowl, place the chicken, baked mochi, and vegetables and pour the soup over and top with the yuzu skin and serve immediately. We hope you try this traditional Japanese soup to celebrate the new year.
美味しい。美味しいね。